Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In today's video, we will solve HSC Mathematics Advanced 2025 Section 2 question number 30. On this channel, you will find the complete solution of HSC Mathematics Advanced 2025. If you have not subscribed, subscribe Math Solver 1117 to find the complete solution and easy mathematical steps to attempt your question and common mistakes you have done in your exams. So, question number 30 is in which we have to form a new equation. So, first of all, we will write that form the new equation to find k. In this question, you have to find the value of k. So, how we will form this equation? In the given equation, we will replace x by x minus k. So, we get y equals x minus k into x minus k minus 5 plus k, because we have replaced, and add k also to the function. These two steps are taken to find the value of k. Now we will substitute points. The value of the points are Points are 6 and 11. Substitute. What we will get? In place of y, we will write 11. In place of x, we will write 6. So what will this become? 11 equals 6 minus 1. 6 minus k minus 1. This equation was 6x minus k minus 1. So this will become, again we will write this 6 minus k minus 1. So this is 5 minus k and this is 1 minus k and plus k. Simplify this. We get 5 into 1 is 5 minus 5k minus k plus k square plus k. We get this as k square minus 5k minus 6 equals 0. Now factorize this, make the factor. So k square minus 6k plus k minus 6 equals 0. Taken k as common, so k minus 6 plus 1 as common, so k minus 6 equals 0. What we will get? We get two values, k minus 6 and the k plus 1. So k equals 6 and k equals minus 1. These are the solution. So k must be positive. So that's why k equals 6 is the final answer. Now we will do the last question of this exam paper, that is question number 31. Now in the question number 31, you have to find the range of P. So P is the angle. Now how we will solve this? First of all, we will set up the angle domain. First step is setup of angle domain. Angle domain as given values 0 is less than or equal x and x is less than or equal 2 pi. and P is a positive greater than 0, we will multiply all sides by P. So we get 0 less than or equal P of x less than or equal to P pi. Now you have to find the general solution of cos P of x equals 1 by 2. So first of all, we get first solution equals pi by 3. Second is odd multiple is when we add 2 pi in this, we get 5 pi by 3. And the third is we get 7 pi by 3. These are the first, second and third. Now we will set up the boundaries. The upper limit is 2 pi p, which must include the second solution but exclude the third solution. So we get this as 2 pi. This will become 5 pi by 3 is less than or equal 2p pi and less than 7 pi by 3. Now we will divide all the terms by 2 pi. So 5 pi, 3 multiply 2 pi, 7 pi, 3 multiply 2 pi. So we get the value of p is 5 by 6 less than p, less than or equal p and less than 7 by 6. We will write answer here. That is 5 by 6 is less than or equal p and p is less than 7 by 6. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. This channel is the learning hub for all mathematical problems related to O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE, SAT, ACT, HSC, VCE and many other mathematical problems. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.